Never give up, you can pull through. And the magic blocks are right there too. Transform now, save the day. Transform now, what's their name? Magic blocks. Come and join the, come and join the, come and join the fun. If it's rumble on the double, put it on the run. Magic blocks unite, help to make things right. Lend a hand to the people of Playtown. Come and join the, come and join the, come and join the fun. If it's rumble on the double, put it on the run. Magic blocks unite, help to make things right. Lend a hand to the people of Playtown. Get ready to run. Magic box.
A very special Christmas. It's Christmas. Yuki, Ian, what do you want for Christmas?
I want the latest race car model. I want for everybody in town to be happy and healthy. Hi, Nick. Hi, Nick.
Hi, guys.
Nick, what do you want for Christmas?
I want to stay with you forever. I don't want to leave.
What makes you say that, Nick?
My dad got a new job. After Christmas, we'll move to a new town. I'll really miss all of you. What? That's so soon. Will I ever see you again?
Will your new home be far away?
I think so. My dad said we even have to take a plane to get there. Does that make this our last Christmas together? Yeah. I'm going to head out, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Yuki, Ian, we should give Nick a Christmas to remember.
Great idea, but what should we do?
I know. We could plant Nick a Christmas wish tree.
Wow, that sounds perfect. Yeah.
We could write down our wishes and hang them on the tree.
Wow, that's a great idea.
How about right here? The tree we plant will be just for Nick.
This Christmas tree will also show him how much we care.
But where can we find a Christmas tree?
I'll ask Magic Blocks for help. Calling Dr. Pie, calling Dr. Pie. Dr. Pie, this is Danny. We need your help.
Roger that. Magic Blocks, get ready.
Get ready to roll. Magic Blocks, reporting.
Danny needs our help. Magic Blocks, let's go.
To us! Ho-ho! Strong, Lulu! Go!
Woo! Coco can do it! Yay!
Get ready, get set! Magic Blocks, problem solved! Christmas, everyone! What do you need help with?
Merry Christmas, Magic Blocks. Nick's moving. We want to give him a meaningful Christmas present.
We want to plant a Christmas tree here.
Huh? I know where we can find a Christmas tree. Leave this one to us.
Yay!
Yay! Lulu, change into a digger and make a hole. I'll change into a pickup and bring over the Christmas tree. Let's get to it. Leave the digging to me. Pickup, transform. Digger, transform. Huh. Hey, we go. Ha!
Some friends to come decorate the tree.
I'll go get decorations from home.
I'll go with you.
I'm back. Coco, I need you to change into a helicopter to put this tree in the hole.
Got it. Leave it to me.
Oh. Done. Looks great. Yahoo!
Magic Blocks.
Huh?
We're back. I brought some decorations.
Let's decorate together.
Great. Let's get started. I'm ready. Gotcha.
Hey.
Let's write down our wishes for Nick and hang them on the tree.
Okay.
Hey. Thank you.
Wow.
It's
Nick
so
used to
beautiful.
love it.
Ian and I will go get Nick.
Wow,
this looks great.
It's so pretty.
Gorgeous.
Where are you taking me?
Dopey, you'll see soon enough.
Here we are. Open your eyes.
Huh? Wow!
Nick, this is our Christmas present for you.
We hung our wishes onto the tree. Hope you like it.
Thanks, everyone. This is the best Christmas I've ever had.
Nick, you'll always be one of our best friends. Wherever you go, we'll never forget you.
Thank you, Ian.
We have an even bigger surprise.
Ho, ho, ho! Christmas, children! Christmas presents for all!
Wow!
Merry Christmas, Nick! Open it.
Wow! It's my favorite soccer ball. Thank you, Santa.
You're welcome.
I
Everyone gets one.
Frank, thank you. Merry Christmas. You too, Magic Blocks. You're the best.
Our pleasure. Leave your problems to us.
Magic Blocks, problem solved.
Let's get a picture together.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Cheese!